Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Regions Bank, accessible online at regions.com. Now, while I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, I wanted to share my experience navigating their website and exploring the services they offer. Regions appears to provide a wide range of financial products, from personal checking and savings accounts to more complex options like mortgages, loans, and investment services. Navigating the website, I found it relatively straightforward to find information on their various offerings. They have sections dedicated to personal banking, business banking, and wealth management, allowing users to quickly drill down to the specific services they're interested in. For example, under personal banking, you can explore checking accounts, savings accounts, CDS, credit cards, and more. Each section typically provides an overview of the product, including key features, benefits, and any associated fees. While exploring regions.com, I also noticed resources like financial calculators and educational materials, which could be helpful for individuals looking to learn more about managing their finances. Regions also seems to emphasize their online and mobile banking capabilities, highlighting features like mobile check deposit, bill pay, and account alerts. These tools aim to provide customers with convenient access to their accounts and financial information on the go. It's worth mentioning that the specific products and services available through Regions might vary depending on your location. Therefore, it's always recommended to visit their website or contact a Regions representative directly for the most accurate and up-to-date information for your specific area. Overall, my initial impression of the Regions website is that it's fairly user-friendly and provides a comprehensive overview of their financial products and services. However, like with any financial institution, it's crucial to do your own research and compare their offerings with other banks to determine which best suits your individual needs and financial goals. Don't hesitate to utilize the resources available on their website, such as FAQs and contact information, to get answers to any specific questions you may have.